welcome to 1Q1A micro podcast series where students ask and teachers answer on camera. I am Om Shri Dhama, a second year mass communication student, and with me today is Miss Sneh Gupta, assistant professor at Times School of Media. Thank you so much for joining us today, ma'am.
Thank you.
So the hot question for you today is that in the era of generative AI, I want to know that what do you think is the future of Indian advertising industry vis-a-vis creative labor and cultural authenticity?
Okay, thank you so much for that question, Om. Let me put an uncomfortable truth to you. Do you think you're ready for it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the current AI models are phenomenally good at patterns and equally poor when it comes to depth. The Indian advertising market is the most linguistically and culturally complex. Now, this complexity is not a bug that AI will eventually fix. Rather, it is one of the most important features that makes the Indian advertising at its best a cultural dialogue than mere persuasion. You know, generative AI is actually genuinely a powerful and transformation tool. However, it can only reproduce the shape of the cultural representation or the language without understanding what makes certain words feel like homecoming while others might just feel like a tourist postcard. If you look at the examples like Cadbury's Kuch Khas Hai campaigns, the Amul's topical advertising, or the Fevicol ads, they are not just clever, they are actually anthropologically precise. That makes them stand out. So here goes what happens to the creative labor. What I see, the Indian advertising professional who wants to survive in the next decade will have to understand that the biggest asset that they have right now is not what they can produce, but what they can understand. It's time they reposition themselves and now think of as not just content producers, but cultural curators and strategic interrogators.
From this we get that AI can generate ideas, but culture, that still needs a human mind. Thank you, ma'am, for joining us today. This is 1Q1A micro podcast series. This is Om Shri Dhama signing off. Thank you.